Hey everyone, welcome back to Travel Reimagined. It's Jacqueline. Today we are going to talk about one of the things in RV life that you have to make a decision on before you get started, or at least for your day-to-day life. So one thing we take for granted a lot of times living in a house is a laundry. So a lot of people have washers and dryers in their regular sticks and bricks house. But when you go with an RV, you have to make the decision if you're going to put one into your RV and if it's equipped to be able to do so, or if you're going to go to a laundromat. So I'm actually at a laundromat today, which is not my primary choice, but I'm going to explain why in just a second. So when we moved into an RV, I was really adamant about the fact that I wanted a washer and dryer in my RV because I did not want to have to go to a laundromat every week, especially when we're going to be planning on doing boondocking and things like that. Yes, I know what you're thinking. You're going to do laundry while you're boondocking. Yes, I am going to do laundry when I'm boondocking because we do have a system that Chase has created where we're going to be able to drain our tanks and drive it over to a dump station. So it'll be a lot easier for us. And the reality is we'd like to boondock for 2 to 3 weeks at a time, which is going to be crazy. And we cannot wait to show you guys. But that being said, I have to do laundry and I don't want to have to drive into a town, go to a laundromat, sit and wait. So now you're asking me, Jacqueline, but why are you at a laundromat today? And the answer is very simple. The RV washers and dryers are a lot smaller than you think they are. They are literally like the size of a steering wheel. They're like this big. So they do fit probably a quarter of a regular size load. So you want to be conscious of that you're not going to be able to fit everything in there. So oftentimes if I have a lot of bedding or larger things to wash, I do actually go to the laundromat and just pop them in there. I do not like going to laundromats. They're not for me personally. I think they just take so much of your time in general. And on top of that, I'm a clean freak and the thought of like using another person's machine kind of grosses me out. So I try to limit my time using that, but sometimes a laundromat is necessary just for some items like really large blankets and things that I just can't fit inside my washing machine. So with that being said, there are 2 different kinds of washing machines or laundry systems that you can actually put into your RV typically. There's a stackable compact washer and dryer, which will fit in almost any RV as long as you have a hookup for it. You could also install your own hookups. You'll need to ensure that you're electrical and you have a water draining system for it. And then obviously a water hookup. Most of these are going to be in the bedroom. Or if you have a toy hauler like me, we also have one in the garage. The other option is a combo unit. So that is a washer and a dryer in one machine. Again, the clean freak in me does not like that. Again, these are my opinions. It does not wash laundry well. It becomes moldy and starts breaking down over time only because think of it. It's soaking wet and then it has to dry the machine out in order to dry the clothes out. So it takes twice as long just to do the drying portion, I'm saying. So the whole load takes hours. Some people love it because they never have to move their laundry. So if you're somebody who forgets to take it out of the washer and put it in the dryer, that might be a better option for you. Make sure your RV is equipped for it. It's something to check out when you are purchasing your RV or asking about it or doing a modification for it. In the meantime, those are your things about laundry. Make sure you're thinking about that before getting into RV life. And like I said, I gotta go move my laundry.
Thanks for watching. Until next time.
Let's hit the road, Jack.